Shantala. I'm a practicing prosthodontist, and I got to know about this endodontic course from a friend in Dubai here, and I made a decision that I will learn because I was very nervous about learning RCT as it is very new to me. But I think I made a very good decision by joining this course. We had on board Dr. Abarajithan, Dr. Sanket and Dr. Prashanth, who gave us very good knowledge and insight into endodontics, and they taught us the very basics, all the step-by-step procedure as well as the latest techniques like the step-by-step procedure of using your endomotor and also the conventional technique. So I can say that we had a very good insight into endodontics, and I'm really happy attending this course because whatever fear I had with endodontics is really gone, and I'm much confident now that I can really handle a RCT case very well, and I look forward that many people can come and attend this course. It was really worth these 2 days, and I had a very good time. They were really good mentors. Yeah, thank you.